Mad World. It's in a minor key, so I'm going to start on the A so I can get the minor scale onto the white keys. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. And the 5 from the octave below is 5, 1. So the song is really repetitive. All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces. The next line, bright and early for the daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Those two lines had exactly the same melody, and so do the next two lines, which means that you're singing the same melody 4 times over each verse. Here, I'll sing the second set. And their tears are filling up their glasses. No expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. So just to reiterate, this melody happens 4 times in each verse. Then in between you'll have the chorus, and at the end you have the chorus, and that's the and I find it kind of funny. It's that part. So what that is 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, and I find it kind of funny. I'll do that again. And I find it kind of funny, and I find it kind of sad. And again, the line right after it is exactly the same melody. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I ever had. And again, I find it hard to tell you, and I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. And at the very end of the song, it's mad world, which is kind of weird because it's not ending on the 1. That's our 1. So it's ending a little under, which kind of creates a feeling of tension, which kind of makes sense for this song because it's a kind of a tense and sad song. So there you go.